forever for Red Door Skin Care. I'm so glad to have you guys here again. Yeah, so if you're just passing by for the first time, please click on the subscription button. It's that big red button with the subscribe. You see there, it's easy, it's free, and I'm not going to charge you for it, okay? Just go ahead and so that you become a subscriber. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Also, don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I put up a new video. Yeah. So today I want to show you how to make your own stretch mark scrub. Yes, we have stretch mark oil, stretch mark creams, to take away your stretch marks. But today I want to show you your scrub, how to make your own stretch mark scrub at home. Okay, it's really easy. They are just easy ingredients that you can find in your kitchen or you can just easily buy. Okay, so you need your mixing bowl, lemon oil, vitamin E oil, your ground cinnamon, your olive oil, coconut oil, your coffee. I like to use Nescafe. Okay, you can use any brand of coffee that you're comfortable with. All right, and then I could not find my Nescafe, so this one is Unicaf Gold. It's also very nice as well. Okay, and also you need your brown sugar. All right, so let's get on to mixing this. It's really easy. Just follow the steps and you have your, okay? We're going to take 2 tablespoons of our ground coffee. 1, 2 tablespoons of our brown sugar. As you can see, I've used this a lot, so I'm just going to pour that all in. One teaspoon of our cinnamon powder. So this is a tablespoon, so I'm just going to take half of this. One teaspoon of our coconut oil. One teaspoon olive oil. Lemon oil, 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of our vitamin E oil. Okay, so if you cannot find your lemon oil, you can substitute with safflower oil. Okay, you can use either of the two. They are really good for your stretch mark scrub, safflower oil or your lemon oil. Today I'm using my lemon oil. All right, so when you've done all that, next thing you want to do is mix all this together. until they are well incorporated into each other. So you should get a paste like your scrub should be in a pasty form. So if after mixing all this and you still don't get a paste, you can now increase your oils, the measurement of your oils. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to increase the measurement of my oils so that I'll get a paste like scrub. Right now it's still in, I don't know what, it's not together, it's not put together, right? And it still separates on its own. It's supposed to be paste like. Okay, so I'm going to increase the measurement of my oils. Remember, we did 1 tablespoon each before, so right now I'm going to do extra tablespoons. All right, I'm going to add another extra tablespoon of my oil so that I'll get a paste like scrub. So I'm adding more olive oil, more vitamin E oil, more lemon oil, smells so good, especially because of the lemon oil, and more coconut oil. Mix. Okay, great. It is pasty. Okay, so this is how your scrub should look at the end of the day. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to apply. Okay, so I have some, they're not really obvious, yeah, but I'm sure you can see them. Like, I have to stretch my skin out for you to actually see them. So here is how you apply the scrub. Apply directly on the spots where you have the stretch marks and scrub in circular motion. The reason why we're using, why you have to use brown sugar is because it's actually softer than regular sugar. Okay, so it's actually softer for your skin than the regular sugar. Okay, so scrub. You can add more as you go, whatever spots you have your stretch marks. Take your scrub and apply on that spot. Okay. It's really easy, right? Yes, I know it's really easy. So do the scrub before you actually use your stretch mark products on that spot. So scrub before you use your either your stretch mark oil or your stretch mark lotion. Okay, this helps the product, your oil or your cream to penetrate more into that area, and then you have a more effective result. Okay, don't just take your oil and your lotion and just apply it. Okay, make sure you scrub that area first before you use your oils or your lotion. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please also share this video with your friends. You know it's going to be helpful to them. So please, 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 please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also share this video. I can't wait to hear from you in my comment section. Drop your questions. I'll be there to respond to your questions. You can follow me on all my social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, okay, on Revdor Skincare, at Revdor Skincare. I'm going to leave my number in the description box in case you want to reach out to me. You can also text me on WhatsApp with your questions and your orders as well, okay? And also for those of you that want to embark on training of skincare training, I'm also available to teach you. All right, so go ahead, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Also, one more thing, don't forget to also give me tell me what videos you'd like to see next. Okay, I'd like to do videos you want to see. Okay, for those of you that sent me text saying that you love the color of my skin tone and you want me to do a video on that, please look forward. I'm going to do that video real soon. Okay, so leave me your comments telling me the video you would like to see next, and we'll get it started from there. All right, thank you so much. Bye.